In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to restore an ERPNext backup. Restoring a backup is something you usually do when you need to roll back changes, recover from data issues, or move to a clean snapshot of your system. In this walkthrough, we'll be using Frappe Cloud, which is where your ERPNext site is hosted. I'll guide you through where to click, what each option means, and a few tips so you can restore safely and confidently. First, open your web browser and go to the Frappe Cloud dashboard. Make sure you're logged in with an account that has the correct permissions to manage sites and backups. If you're part of a team, this is usually an administrator or someone responsible for system maintenance. Once you're on the Frappe Cloud dashboard, look for the section labeled Sites. This is where all the ERPNext sites under your account are listed. Find the specific site where you want to restore a backup. If you manage multiple environments like production and testing, double check that you're selecting the correct one because the restore will affect that particular site's data. Click on the site name to open its overview page. Here you'll see different tabs and options related to your site, such as usage, jobs, and settings. What we're interested in is the backups section. Click on backups to open the list of available backups for this site. On the backups page, you'll see a list of backup entries, usually organized by date and time. Each entry represents a snapshot of your database and files at that moment. Take a moment to verify the date and time of the backup you want to restore, so you don't accidentally revert to the wrong point in time. Now, click on the backup document you want to restore. This opens more details about that particular backup. From here, you generally have two choices. You can click directly on the backup file and download it to your local machine, which is useful if you want to keep an offline copy or restore it manually elsewhere. Or, if you want Frappe Cloud to handle the restore for this site, look for the Action menu. Click on Action, and then find and select the Restore option. When you do this, Frappe Cloud will start the restore process using that backup. Be aware that restoring will overwrite the current data on that site with the data from the backup. So it's a good idea to confirm you've chosen the right backup before proceeding. Once initiated, wait for the process to complete, and your site will be reverted to the state captured in that backup.